I am working on this illustration for a client and I noticed something that I do all the time, but I never noticed I was doing. It's a technique that can change the way you draw, both on digital and traditional, but it's a technique that came from traditional. Let me show you what it is. I am currently working on the details of this tree. And naturally, without even thinking about it, I started to do this. This is a selection. I have a sponge brush and I begin to do this. I started using my selection tool to mask my shadows, so I don't paint over the things that I don't want to be painted. And I was thinking where this technique came from. I'm using the selection tool. And then I realized that what I'm doing here, it's like using tape on traditional. It's the same principle. You mask one part of your illustration, so you don't paint that part, and you have a crisp edge as a result, which is not always possible to do with a brush, unless you are like crazy good. So I used this selection technique, the tape technique, on all of my shadows in this tree. You can use it if you want on every single part of your process. So to give the final touch in this illustration, I use the tape, or let's say the selection tool technique, one more time. And you will see how cool it will look. So here I have my selection tool, my polyline in Clip Studio Paint, and I will make several selections like this. Then I will grab a nice brush, some color, and I will do this. I think you already know what I'm doing here. Now here's another cool technique. I will create a layer mask for this layer of my light rays, and I will paint it out black. Then I will grab my sponge brush and I will reveal some of the sun just in some places. Here, you want to be a little subtle here. Don't want to overdo it. Here, let's erase it in some parts. You can even set this layer to like glow, color dodge, maybe add glow, no, maybe like this, and then we decrease the opacity. Ooh, looks cool, right? Now let's do some particles. To create atmosphere. Here we have the before and after. So I noticed that the only reason that I do that is because I always did it on traditional, but using tape. I feel that my illustrations improved a lot after I started using this technique. If you like my work and want to join my secret party, you can become a member of this channel. I am offering a lot of cool perks, so you can go to the link in the description and find out more. I would love to hear your thoughts about this technique. Have you used it before? You begin using now that I told you about, and I see you in the next video.